Hi, this is Mike. Today I will explain you CrashStat application. CrashStat.org web development project of Zulu Labs. CrashStat is a project of transportation alternatives aimed at raising awareness for safer streets of New York City. Zulu Labs presents the demo of CrashStat.org that we developed utilizing Drupal and Gmap modules for the accomplishment of a dynamic web-based street map displaying the various number of street crashes and their statistics. Open link CrashStat.org by typing in the address bar. This is the dynamic web-based map of pedestrian and bicyclist injuries and fatalities in New York City for the years 1995 to 2009. We can zoom into the map using left side zoom bar. Each location on the map has an icon representing one of the 4 different crash types. This icon designates an intersection where a fatal pedestrian crash occurred. This icon designates an intersection where a fatal cyclist crash occurred. The red marker shows a location where bicycle crashes occurred. The blue marker shows a location where pedestrian crashes occurred. Some icons represent other important places on the map. For example, this icon H shows hospital location on map. And this icon shows school and college's location. Click on an icon to view crash stats of that location. The pop-up will show total crashes. It will display 4 tabs: pedestrian data, pedestrian graph, bicyclist data, bicyclist graph. Pedestrian data tab will show a column view of the pedestrian crashes divided into injuries and fatalities year-wise. Pedestrian graph will show graph that represents crashes. X-axis shows years and Y-axis shows number of crashes. Bicyclist data tab will show bicyclist crashes. Bicyclist graph will show graph that represents crashes. X-axis shows years and Y-axis shows number of crashes. Different sizes of the red and blue markers are shown on the right-hand side. Bigger the size of the marker on the map, bigger is the number of crashes in that location. The year select bar can be used to select its desired range by dragging these green buttons. Select your desired range of years and click on Submit. Now the map will filter data according to your selected range. Click on an icon, pop-up will show crash stats of that particular location in your selected year range. Using the street address bar, you can search a particular location for the crash details. Map will display the pointer at that location and show the relevant icons of crashes in that area. The filters on the right sidebar can be used to refine results on the map. The first one is the location filter. There are 8 boundary options which will show the highlighted location on map. Select an option. Click on a drawn boundary, highlighted area. It will show you data of that particular area. Here it is showing stats of NYPD Precinct 110 area. You can apply more filters to refine data on map. First one is crash details. It has 4 options: pedestrian injuries, pedestrian fatalities, bicyclist injuries, bicyclist fatalities, Select your options. Next we have PED/bot details filter. It has 4 subfilters. First one is age. Select your options. Next we have sex. Select your options. Next we have PED action, pre-crash. Select your options. Last sub-filter is PED locations. Select your options. Next is filter motorist. It has 2 sub-filters. First sub-filter is motorist type. Select your options. Second sub-filter is pre-crash action. Select your options. Below it we have our last filter, contributing factors. It shows options of factors that were involved in crash. Select your options. After selecting your entire options, click on Submit. Now the map is showing data that matches our selected options. All the selected filters are showing here. We can remove filters by clicking on X one by one or all by clicking on Remove All Filters link. We can share our current map with the applied filters on Facebook. We can also share our current map with the applied filters on Twitter. At the bottom of the map you can see stats about map search time by the Apache Solr server. For quick help on the map you can click on this link at the bottom right of the page. Help pop-up will open. Now we will explore more menus on crashstat.org. First one is the resources. This page gives you access to important resources that you can download as files. Take action page is next. This page displays useful information for users regarding what actions they can take, how they can help or volunteer in reducing crashes, etc. The FAQs page is helpful in answering the frequently asked questions. The Donate page has its Donate button link on other pages of the site. You can easily donate to the organization via a secure page. The About page gives an overview of the objectives of this website. It also has some important downloadable files for users. This was an introduction of crashstat.org. Thanks for watching.